guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm so very excited to share with you guys this beautiful wig that I have on right here. This is from Emma Hairpiece, www.emmahairpiece.com, and I am just thrilled to talk about this here wig. I've been following Emma Hairpiece on Instagram for quite some time, and I'm just thrilled with this here wig. I've been wearing it for over a month or more. It's really cold here where I am, so I've been throwing it on with beanies and hats and, you know, on its own, but it's kept me warm and cozy. That's the nice thing about alternative hair and hair pieces, is it's that extra warmth. But I'll have you know, I do wear alternative hair all throughout the summer months as well, and I don't have any issues, but does look adorable with hats and beanies. And so I've had a good amount of time to wear this hair, get a feel for the cap construction, the quality of the human hair, and I am so impressed. Now, I haven't even washed this hair yet because it just looks so good. I probably should give it a good wash, but it looks divine, and I'm just really impressed. So I'm thrilled to talk about this beautiful wig today. Now, like I mentioned, this is Emma Hairpiece. You guys can follow their social media platforms. I will have the links to their Instagram and their website down below. And before I move on, you guys can get a discount at Emma Hairpiece using the code AMBER. I will have that down below. It's pretty easy, AMBER. You can get a discount on your wigs and toppers and pieces over at Emma Hairpiece. If you follow their Instagram, they are sharing such absolutely beautiful wigs and pieces, just divine, like princess hair. The colors, the options, just so gorgeous. So I highly recommend checking that out. But without further ado, let's talk about this here wig. I did add some curl to it myself, but it came with a light curl pattern, and it came in this beautiful, very nice, sturdy box, and it was packaged really nice. So that's always nice. Great first impression when it comes packaged really nicely. Came wrapped up with their logo, ribbon. Came with bags, a net, and a nice silk bag as well. And also came with a complimentary wig cap. Now, since I buzzed my hair, I don't often wear a wig cap. Sometimes I'll throw on a wig liner if I need something to hold on a bit tighter, but it's nice to have those extras come in with your package. Now, if you look up this particular wig on the website, it is their European human hair natural straight silk top monofilament wig, JW23. I will have the link to this specific wig down below in the description. They do have a variety of very, very pretty colors, but this one that you see right here is JW23/8 2427 8R. So the JW23 is the wig SKU, but then you have 8, 24, 27, and then you have a rooted 8. So this does have a slight root, which is the color 8, like a medium brown root. You can kind of see that. It's very light and subtle. And then what I consider this wig color is almost like your mid, kind of in between brown and blonde, so kind of a blonde because of the mixture of colors. You have your 8, so the same color as your root. You have like kind of that mixture, that low light, and then you have 24 and 27. You have some warmth, almost kind of like a goldeny color, and you do have like a very slight highlight in there. I would definitely say this is a dark blonde, but I would say this is blonde. Some might refer to this as a very light brown. So you could call this a blonde, but yeah, you can definitely see those highlights in there. Very subtle, very soft highlights. Let me give you a close-up. I don't have a lot of natural light coming in, although it is daytime. It's just kind of a dark, gloomy January day. Not a lot of sunshine coming in, although my blinds are open. I have a ring light, but this kind of gives you a glimpse of the dimension and the beautiful shade. And I'll show you a closer look when I take this wig off so you guys can see the depth and the highlights and the lowlights and how really beautiful this color is. But I would chalk this up to kind of like your blonde color. If you are a blonde, if you are like a light brown, if you want to kind of be right there in the middle, this is a beautiful shade and I love it. It does have kind of like a warmth, a goldeny look to it. I feel like it looks more golden in the video on screen than it is in real life, but I wouldn't say it's ashy by any means. More, I would say kind of a neutral warm, and it's really, really pretty. So anyway, let's talk about this style. I'm really impressed. Now this is a average or medium size cap, and I wear average in the majority of wig brands and even custom wigs, and I feel like this cap is pretty snug. It fits me well, but I feel like it's snug, so do be mindful of that. If you wear average or large, you might want to consider getting something a little bit bigger if you need some more wiggle room. Now, one thing about Emma's Hairpiece is they have 0 risk, 100% refund if you are not satisfied. You have 3 to 5 days free shipping worldwide, 100% human hair, which is fantastic. I love my synthetics, but there is nothing like being able to style and work with human hair. It definitely makes you feel like you're working with real hair, because it is, and it's lovely. Now, although this is a medium-sized cap, you do have the adjusters at the nape. So if you wear more of a smaller size, you probably could get away with a medium-sized cap, and then you could use the adjusters at the nape. The density is medium at 130%. And like I mentioned, they do have an array of gorgeous colors, and there are 11 of them to be precise. Now, this hair length is about 18 inches, and I feel like there are some slight longer layers. Now, because this is human hair, the style can be whatever you wish. Like I mentioned, it did come with a slight curl, kind of like curled in. You can straighten it, which I did straighten it prior to putting in these loose barrel curl waves. But so I can do a full turnaround, show you guys kind of the way it looks now, but really with human hair, the world is your oyster. You can customize, you can use your heat tools, and you can style it however you wish. Let me do that full turnaround on this beautiful style. Now, the hair type is considered straight. That is the texture. So I'm assuming when you wash it, it will dry with more of a straight texture. I have experienced a straight texture human hair wig just dry with a slight wave, and it's still described as like your straight texture wig. I wouldn't mind if it dried with kind of like a slight wave to it. But this human hair is so soft and buttery. It feels fantastic. It looks fantastic. It feels healthy. And it's one of those wigs where you just want to keep running your fingers through it. Okay, I'm going to take this beautiful style off and show you guys the underside of the cap construction. So like I mentioned, this is a medium-sized cap, and you have the adjusters down at the nape with these hooks. You can loosen and tighten your wig and make it fit your head more true to size, make it more secure. Now this wig is very snug on me without using the adjusters, so I don't even have them linked into any of the loops. Now this is a very well-made, durable, comfortable cap. I mean, it looks amazing. And you have a 1-inch poly coating right up in front. Now you can put some adhesive on this polyurethane strip right up at the front, and that allows you to just adhere the wig to the front of your head and make it really secure. Now, do you need to use adhesive? No, you don't, because this hair and this wig is very, very secure without it, but you can if you'd like, and that's where you'd place your adhesive. Now, you do have these silicone strip areas around the ear tab and down at the nape, and you can use adhesive on those strips as well. And it's just really nice to have those available if you do want to use like any sort of like Walker tape or got to be glued or other types of adhesives to make sure that your wig is even more secure. Then what you have going on here is this nice silk top. Look at this. It looks so good. It's so nice because you have this great area of multi-directional parting room. So you can part this wig every which way in this crown area, and it looks like natural hair growth. And usually they say that like the silk base is your most realistic. Now underneath it's quite soft, so that will be great against the scalp. And then they have these strips of, I would say probably like silicone, and that's great for gripping. That's really nice, especially if you're fully bald, and that will keep the wig from shifting and moving. But if you see under here, that is a great amount of room for multi-directional parting, and that is all individually hand tied. It looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp, and you know, like this is natural hair growth. Now the remaining area of this cap construction is closed wefted, and what I mean by that is it is, you know, your wefted bottom area, but it's closed. So you have this material that makes it closed. It's like just really luxurious, very well made and durable. You have this stretchy section down below the ear tab area. It just keeps the wig nice and secure and tight all the way around the perimeter of your head. So, I mean, look how great that looks. Just very well made, very durable, high quality, well made wig. And the hair looks so nice. It feels good. The color is divine. It is so pretty. Can you guys see the color up close? You can see the dimension, the highlights. You can see that mixture. You kind of have almost like an auburn reddish low light. And then you have that root. You can't really see that root as well when I put it right up against the ring light, but at a distance you can see more of that root. But it is such a beautiful color. I love it. It looks really goldeny in this lighting. It does kind of have a golden look to it, but I would say it's more of a blonde. It's so pretty. I love it. But you can really see those highlights, those blondes, kind of lighter shades throughout the top right there. So pretty. And there's that silk top. So definitely contact Emma Hairpiece if you guys are looking for toppers, wigs. They have a variety of options, and I'm highly impressed. So let's put this back on. Now this wig isn't a lace front, so if you do have some biological hair but you do wear wigs, you could even shimmy out the perimeter of your hairline, some at the front, and kind of blend that in with the wig. But even without that lace front, I feel like it looks phenomenal. I'm just really impressed with the hair, with the quality, with the fit, with the shipping, with the box. It's just all really impressive. And I'm very happy to have been able to share Emma Hairpiece with you guys today. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this beautiful style, this lovely color, and don't forget you guys can get that discount using the code AMBER over at Emma Hairpiece. Go follow their social media platforms. I will have those links down below. And if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, but definitely reach out to Emma Hairpiece for any of your inquiries. They can help you with anything that you guys need to ask about. If you have custom orders or whatever, just reach out to them and they can help you with anything that you have questions about. So anyway, if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for stopping by and checking out my page. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye.